Vast Giant Leap is a project focused on creating the next generation of commercial space stations. Their first station, called Haven 1, is planned to launch in 2026. The main idea behind Vast's Giant Leap concept is to move beyond short astronaut visits and instead build places where humans can live and work in space for long periods. These new stations are designed to take over once the International Space Station, ISS, is retired. Haven 1 is built for a crew of 4 people, giving them a safe and comfortable place to stay in orbit. The Skyfall mission is a new idea from NASA that aims to explore Mars in a smarter and more affordable way. Instead of sending large and expensive landers, NASA plans to drop 6 small autonomous helicopters directly onto the Martian surface. The Europa Clipper is a NASA mission launched on October 14, 2024, created to explore Jupiter's icy moon, Europa, and find out if it could support life. After traveling through space for several years, the spacecraft will begin orbiting Jupiter in April 2030. From there, it will make 49 close flybys of Europa, with some passes coming as close as 25 kilometers above the moon's surface. To study Europa in detail, the spacecraft carries 9 scientific instruments. These include ice-penetrating radar to look deep into the ice, high-resolution cameras to take detailed pictures, spectrometers to study what the surface is made of, and a magnetometer to measure Europa's magnetic field. Together is pushing technology into the future with a new mind control feature for the iPad. This feature uses brain-computer interface, BCI technology, developed by companies like Synchron and Neuralink. With this system, you don't have to touch the screen at all. You can move around the tablet, type messages, open apps, and control everything just by thinking. Synchron's device places tiny electrodes inside the blood vessels of the brain, where they can pick up brain signals safely. Midnight eVTOL is a modern electric air taxi designed to change the way people travel inside busy cities. It looks futuristic and uses 12 powerful propellers, including special tilt rotors that help it take off vertically like a helicopter and then smoothly move forward like an airplane. The aircraft can carry 4 passengers along with 1 pilot. It can fly at speeds of up to 150 miles per hour and cover distances of around 100 miles, which makes it perfect for short city-to-city trips. Chasing Singularity is more than just a car. It's a complete vision of the future. It combines art, technology, and intelligent systems in a way we have never seen before. Its design is inspired by crystals, and the body of the car reflects light like a shining diamond, making it a symbol of creativity, clarity, and modern innovation. Glideways is a new transport system that aims to change the way people move around busy cities. The company started in 2016 in South San Francisco and has created a small electric vehicle called the Glide car. This car can drive itself, carries up to 4 people, and runs on its own special tracks called guideways. Because these guideways are separate from regular roads, the Glide car can travel quickly without getting stuck in traffic. Bugatti Baby 2 is a small but special electric car designed as a 75% replica of the classic Bugatti Type 35. It was created in partnership with the Little Car Company to celebrate Bugatti's 110th anniversary. Only 500 units of this mini car were made, which makes it rare and collectible. Helium-3 is a rare and valuable material found on the surface of the moon. It has built up over billions of years because the solar wind constantly hits the moon and deposits tiny amounts of this element. Scientists believe helium-3 could one day become a powerful source of clean energy, especially for future fusion reactors. However, collecting it is extremely difficult. To extract even a small amount of helium-3, researchers estimate that we would need to process hundreds of thousands of tons of lunar soil, often called moon dust. This makes mining a huge challenge. It would require sending many robotic machines to the moon, creating strong energy systems to run them, and inventing new technology that can survive the moon's harsh environment. Helium-3 is a rare and valuable material found on the surface of the moon. It has built up over billions of years because the solar wind constantly hits the moon and deposits tiny amounts of this element. Scientists believe helium-3 could one day become a powerful source of clean energy, especially for future fusion reactors. However, collecting it is extremely difficult. To extract even a small amount of helium-3, researchers estimate that we would need to process hundreds of thousands of tons of lunar soil, often called moon dust. This makes mining a huge challenge. It would require sending many robotic machines to the moon, creating strong energy systems to run them, and inventing new technology that can survive the moon's harsh environment. The Lexus ecosystem is a complete set of modern technologies and services created to make driving more comfortable, smart, and luxurious. It connects your car smoothly with your digital life. With wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, you can use your phone's apps, music, and maps without plugging in any cables. The system also includes an intelligent voice assistant, so you can control many features just by speaking, keeping your hands on the wheel and your focus on the road. Samsung Galaxy XR is a powerful mixed reality headset designed to give users an extremely immersive experience. It comes with dual 4K micro OLED displays, which means the visuals are extremely sharp, bright, and realistic. The headset offers a wide viewing angle of 109 degrees horizontally and 100 degrees vertically, so everything you see feels natural and lifelike. Inside, it is powered by the Snapdragon XR2 Plus Gen 2 processor, along with 16 gigabytes of RAM and 256 gigabytes of storage. Rocket Lab is working on a new communications system that will become very important for future missions to Mars. Their goal is to build the Internet of the Red Planet. Right now, communication between Earth and Mars can be slow and sometimes gets interrupted, especially when spacecraft move behind the planet. Rocket Lab wants to fix that by launching many small satellites into orbit around Mars. These satellites will create a strong and reliable network that keeps rovers, landers, and astronauts connected at all times. Flexion Robotics is building an advanced robot brain designed especially for humanoid robots. Their technology allows robots to understand normal human language, so you can talk to them like you talk to a person. The robot can then take your spoken instructions and turn them into real actions without needing scripts or someone controlling it from a distance. Their system works in 3 main layers. The first is the command layer, which helps the robot understand what you want and plan how to do it. The BMW Dune Taxi is an exciting electric concept car that looks more like something from a sci-fi movie than a typical BMW. It has a bold off-road design with huge tires, high ground clearance, and a strong body made from natural fiber-reinforced materials. The front has small, sleek versions of BMW's classic kidney grills. Powered by electric motors, it delivers 536 horsepower and an impressive 1,000 pound-feet of torque. With 400 millimeters of suspension travel, it's built to handle rough terrains with ease. Though it's an amazing idea, the Dune Taxi is just a prototype and won't be sold anytime soon. BMW Motorrad's Vision Next 100 provides a glimpse into the future of motorcycles, imagining their design 100 years from now. While it's not a direct prediction, the concept showcases a bold vision for the next generations of bikes. The Vision Next 100 features composite elastic frames that replace traditional suspension and steering forks, alongside self-balancing gyroscopes and augmented reality visors. With AI-powered safety systems, it suggests that helmets may no longer be necessary. More of a daydream than a definitive plan, this concept explores how transportation could evolve in the distant future. ZK Teco's fixed vehicle management solution is a smart system for managing parking and vehicle access. With over 1.47 billion cars globally, or 1 car for every 6 people, parking lot owners benefit greatly from systems like ZK Biocurity. The system uses special tags on vehicles and cameras in the lot. When a car is detected, ZK Biosecurity searches its database from up to 12 meters away. Depending on the results, it either raises the barrier to allow entry or denies access. Besides the tag, the system can also check the car's license plate and even its color. Emergency vehicles, such as fire trucks and ambulances, are on a whitelist and can enter without any issues, while problematic drivers can be added to a blacklist. This system offers a secure and efficient solution for managing vehicle access in parking areas. Hyundai revealed its Elevate concept car at CES 2019, designed to handle tough terrains with ease. This innovative vehicle has 4 robotic legs that let it walk and climb, opening up new possibilities for practical use. In 2021, Hyundai introduced the Tiger X1, a walking robot that showed their dedication to making these ideas real. Prototypes of these advanced vehicles could be ready for testing by 2023. The Elevate project goes beyond regular cars on wheels. Its robotic legs allow it to move across challenging surfaces, making it a game changer for mobility. What once seemed futuristic is now becoming a reality, thanks to Hyundai's progress. Hyundai aims to transform transportation with this groundbreaking technology. The Elevate concept could play a key role in search and rescue missions, disaster relief, and other critical applications. With these advancements, a working prototype is closer than ever. Blue Origin's New Glenn is a powerful new rocket designed for space missions. It can carry up to 45 tons into low Earth orbit and is built to be reusable, helping reduce launch costs. The rocket uses 7 methane-powered engines on the first stage and 2 hydrogen engines on the upper stage for strong and precise performance. In early 2025, it completed its first flight, successfully reaching orbit and deploying a test payload, although the booster was not recovered. New Glenn is planned to support major projects like Amazon's Kuiper satellites, NASA's Artemis moon missions, and future Mars exploration. The Apple Vision Pro is an innovative spatial computer that blends digital content seamlessly with the real world. Powered by Vision OS, it offers an intuitive interface controlled by your eyes, hands, and voice. Featuring immersive environments, advanced cameras, sensors, and custom micro-LED displays, the Vision Pro changes how you work, collaborate, and enjoy entertainment. Whether you're revisiting special memories, working in a virtual space, or exploring new creative possibilities, the Vision Pro delivers powerful spatial experiences. It improves daily life with exceptional efficiency and creativity, setting a new benchmark for digital interaction and expanding the potential of technology. Antic Bikes is a fresh mini bike brand built by Future Motion, the same company known worldwide for creating the One Wheel. These mini bikes are designed purely for fun riding, playful tricks, and easy stunts. Their style comes from classic 1970s mini bikes, but inside they use modern technology to make the ride faster, safer, and more enjoyable. Antic Bikes feature a strong one-wheel hub motor, advanced battery technology, and wide go-kart style tires. All of this helps the bike reach speeds of around 35 miles per hour while still feeling stable and comfortable to ride. The suspension and braking system are designed for adults, so you get smooth handling and reliable stopping power even at higher speeds. The standout feature of Antic Bikes is the one-wheel mode. This smart, self-balancing system allows almost anyone to perform long and controlled wheelies without needing expert skills. Beginners can try stunts confidently because the bike keeps itself balanced. Riders can also adjust the bike's performance using a mobile app, which offers tuning options for power, speed, and ride feel. Astrobot S1 is an AI-powered robot developed by the Chinese company Astrobot, with the goal of providing robotic assistance to billions of people. Scheduled to be released this year, the S1 is capable of performing tasks like ironing and even doing tablecloth tricks. Although it doesn't have legs, its arms feature 7 degrees of freedom, just like human arms. Instead of fingers, it uses claws, which are more practical for its tasks. These claws can move at a speed of 10 meters per second and carry up to 10 kilograms in each hand. The company also highlights that the video showcasing the robot is not sped up. The Leo Coupe is a groundbreaking personal flying car that blends the ease of driving with the freedom of flight. Featuring a unique electric jet system and sleek aerodynamic design, it ensures a smooth flight experience. Safety is prioritized, with 100 lift jets for backup, an emergency glide parachute, and automated systems for takeoff, landing, and stabilization. At a price of around $459,900, this flying car provides a fast, secure, and efficient way to travel. It's designed to transform how we move, allowing for a new way to explore the skies. The Leo Coupe aims to reshape urban mobility with advanced technology and user-friendly controls.